Hey guys, it's Mickey from Is a Southern Life, and today we are going to be planning up this hay rack that is on my shed. So the first thing I do is I always lay out my plants before I plant them. I want to go ahead and I think I do like this. I like the purple against the yellow, but let me show you what plants I have. I have this one from Proven Winners. They're all Proven Winners. This one is gorgeous. I don't think that one has a tag on it, but this one does. I've never seen this one before. And then, of course, I have the bubble gum. The bubble gum in my yard is the only thing that the squirrels will not eat. And it actually comes back for me. I have some in another pot that I left in there during the winter, and they've already come back. Here is the pot that I was talking about. I just cut these back this winter and they've already come up and they're already gorgeous. And before I plant, I am going to throw some of this in there too. All right, I'm going to get these planted and then I will come right back and show you what it looks like. Okay, I hopped in the shade so we can see the tags closer. That is the ivy. And it likes sun to shade, so it'll do perfect in that area. This is the Charmed Wine Shamrock. Sun to shade as well. And then the Supertunia Vista Bubblegum. Full to part sun. It will do good in that area too. These do good actually everywhere. Except for a full shade, of course. You can't put them in there. Okay, so I got them all planted and fertilized, and I just need to water them in. But here's just a close-up of all of them. And this will actually can last through the winter as well, so that can just permanently stay in there. The bubble gum will get huge, and it will get a lot of flowers on it. And that will spill over too. And these will mound up and just be really pretty. And what I'll do is I will keep giving you updates on how these are doing. Thanks for watching. I am actually going to go ahead and water these in before I forget. The watering in will just settle everything too and settle the root balls.